2012 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, security system, power windows, satellite radio, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.